Hello, my name is Cameron Prince, and I'm the Product Marketing Manager for our residential split systems.
I'm Anjali Pozic, and my role is with Distributor Marketing Programs. Cameron, with the 2023 regulatory changes around the corner, why should a homeowner consider replacing their equipment versus deferring and repairing it?
So we know that in 2023, there's going to be additional product cost due to the new minimum efficiency requirements. That means that there's going to be larger coils, larger cabinets, more efficient internal components, such as the fan motor and the compressor, and a higher refrigerant charge to meet the new minimum efficiency requirements. So it might be better for your homeowner to replace their equipment in 2022 versus waiting until 2023 when product costs are higher.
So homeowners can feel at ease knowing that their warranties and replacement parts are still valid in 2023?
Yes, your replacement parts and warranties will still be valid in 2023 if you replace your equipment in 2022.
50% of homeowners have less than $5,000 in their savings account. Is there something we can do to help offset that?
Yes, so we've partnered with Service Finance, which helps homeowners with upfront costs related to replacing their HVAC equipment. We know that the replacement of HVAC equipment is one of the most expensive things that you can do to your home. Additionally, this helps dealers with opportunities for upsell. You can now include a Comfort Sync communicating thermostat with your sale because there's an additional financing option available. So if you'd like to learn more about offering the Service Finance option to your homeowner, reach out to your sales representative.